Hello, everyone. The story of human evolution is one of the most fascinating narratives in the history of life on Earth. It's a story that spans millions of years, tracing our lineage back to ancient ancestors that lived in environments very different from those we inhabit today. Understanding this journey requires us to look at the complex interplay of biological, environmental, and cultural factors that have shaped us into the species we are today. Our story begins about 65 million years ago, shortly after the extinction of the dinosaurs, which paved the way for mammals to thrive. Among these mammals were the early primates, small, tree-dwelling creatures with grasping hands, large eyes, and an enhanced sense of vision. These traits were crucial for life in the trees, where the ability to judge distances and grasp branches was essential for survival. Over millions of years, these early primates diversified, giving rise to various species, some of which would eventually lead to humans. Around 7 million years ago in Africa, one branch of primates began to walk on two legs, a significant adaptation that set them apart from their four-legged cousins. This form of bipedalism is one of the defining characteristics of our lineage, known as hominins. The earliest known hominin is Sahelanthropus tchadensis, a species that had a mix of ape-like and human-like features, including a relatively flat face and small canine teeth, yet still possessed a small brain. This species likely walked upright, though not in the same way modern humans do. As the climate in Africa changed, with forests giving way to more open savannas, bipedalism became increasingly advantageous. It allowed these early hominins to cover large distances more efficiently, spot potential predators over tall grasses, and free up their hands for carrying food and tools. This was a critical period in human evolution, as natural selection began to favor traits that would eventually lead to the emergence of new species within the hominin lineage. One of the most famous early hominins is Australopithecus afarensis, which lived around 3 to 4 million years ago. The most well-known specimen of this species is Lucy, whose discovery in Ethiopia in 1974 provided significant insights into early human ancestors. Australopithecus afarensis had a small brain, similar in size to that of a chimpanzee, but walked upright on two legs. Their anatomy suggests they still spent a lot of time in trees, but they were also well adapted to life on the ground. This period marked an important transition in the evolution of hominins, with the development of more complex behaviors and the use of simple tools. As time passed, around 2.5 million years ago, the genus Homo began to emerge. The first species in this new genus was Homo habilis, often referred to as the handyman because of the association with stone tools found near its remains. Homo habilis had a larger brain than its predecessors and exhibited more advanced tool-making skills, indicating an increase in cognitive abilities. These early humans were still primarily scavengers, but their improved tools allowed them to process food more efficiently, which may have contributed to brain growth. Homo erectus appeared around 1.9 million years ago and represented a significant leap forward in human evolution. With a much larger brain and a more modern body structure, Homo erectus was better equipped to adapt to different environments. This species is notable for being the first to leave Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe. The ability to control fire, which provided warmth, protection, and a new way to cook food, was a crucial development during this period. Fire not only allowed Homo erectus to thrive in colder climates, but also played a role in social and cultural evolution as people gathered around fires, sharing food and stories, fostering community bonds. The evolutionary journey continued with the emergence of Homo heidelbergensis around 600,000 years ago. This species is thought to be a common ancestor of both modern humans and Neanderthals. Homo heidelbergensis had a large brain, advanced tool-making abilities, and lived in a variety of environments across Africa and Europe. They hunted large game and may have been the first to build simple shelters, indicating a further increase in cognitive and social complexity. Neanderthals, or Homo neanderthalensis, evolved in Europe and Western Asia around 400,000 years ago. They were well adapted to the cold climates of the Ice Age, with robust bodies, large noses, and a stocky build. Neanderthals were skilled hunters and toolmakers, with a culture that included the use of symbolic objects, burial of their dead, and possibly even the creation of art. For many years, Neanderthals were viewed as brutish and primitive, but recent research has shown that they were capable of complex behaviors and may have even interbred with early modern humans. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, first appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago. What sets Homo sapiens apart from other hominins is our ability to think abstractly, use complex language, and create art and culture. These cognitive abilities gave us an unprecedented advantage, allowing us to develop sophisticated tools, build complex societies, and eventually spread across the globe. By around 60,000 years ago, Homo sapiens began to migrate out of Africa, reaching Asia, Europe, Australia, and eventually the Americas. The spread of modern humans across the planet was accompanied by a dramatic increase in technological and cultural innovation. The development of agriculture around 10,000 years ago marked a turning point in human history, leading to the rise of civilizations. With agriculture, humans could settle in one place, leading to the development of cities, writing, and complex political systems. This period also saw the extinction of other hominins, such as the Neanderthals, who either died out due to competition with Homo sapiens or were absorbed into the human gene pool through interbreeding. Today, humans are the only surviving species of hominins, but we carry with us the genetic legacy of our ancestors. Advances in genetic research have revealed that modern humans share a small percentage of DNA with Neanderthals and other archaic humans, indicating that our evolutionary history is more complex than previously thought. This interbreeding may have provided early humans with genetic advantages, such as immunity to certain diseases or adaptations to different environments. The study of human evolution continues to evolve, with new discoveries challenging old assumptions and providing new insights into our origins. Fossils, ancient tools, and genetic data all contribute to a more detailed understanding of how our species came to be. As we learn more about our past, we also gain a better understanding of what it means to be human and how our evolutionary heritage shapes our behavior, culture, and biology today. In conclusion, the evolution of humans is a testament to the power of natural selection and the adaptability of life. From small, tree-dwelling primates to the builders of civilizations, our journey has been long and complex, marked by both gradual changes and sudden leaps forward. Each step in this journey has been influenced by a myriad of factors, from climate change to technological innovation. As we look to the future, understanding our evolutionary past can provide valuable lessons for addressing the challenges we face as a species, reminding us of our deep connection to the natural world and our shared ancestry with all living things. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share.